So today what I wanted to talk to you about is ordering decimals, and a lot of people get caught out by these. I think the trick to it is to find the longest decimal that you have, which we have here, and make sure that however many digits it has after the decimal point, that you put zeros at the end of all the others so that they have the same amount. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after the decimal point, and so I've only got 1 here, so I'm going to add 3 zeros. And this one, I'm going to add another one more 0. Here I'm going to add another 0. Here I'm going to add 2. And here I'm going to add 1. And here I'm going to add 1. Now, if it makes it easier to look at, I would write all of these numbers out underneath. So I have 6,000 rather, 6,020, 62,000, 600. You can ignore the zeros if it's in front of the number when you write them out in full. 620, 26,000 and 625. Now it makes it much easier to spot which one is the smallest number. So our smallest number is going to be 600. So let's write this decimal out, 0.06. We'll just write what we actually came with in the question rather than our zeros on the end, although they are exactly the same number, so it doesn't matter really, but it's just good practice. Next one would be 620, so we'd write 0.062. The next one would be 625, so we're going to write 0.0625. We've done that one, and that one. Okay, so now we're going to look at the thousands. These are all 6,000, but we've got a smaller one before that, so we've got 0.260 first, and that one's done. And then we've got 0.6, which is this one. And then 6,020 is smaller than 6,200, so we'd write 602 and 0.620. And there you have it, job done, in order going from smallest to largest. Now be very, very careful in your exam. Just don't just assume the order that they want you to write it in. Make sure you double check. If they ask you to write it from largest to smallest, make sure you do that. Although they usually do ask for smallest to largest. Good luck.